Meet TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on the map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.
Music inherently is a very expressive medium, and having light synchronized with music makes that whole experience much better. And I think that's where GLOW really stands out. It's a pair of headphones, but it's also something that builds up that musical expression through the form of light. The first time we saw Fibrance fiber optic wire was really incredible. That Fibrance is just super vibrant. It looks like something I've never seen before, like something magical. The inspiration actually went back to our childhood when the movies we used to watch and the books we used to read always portrayed light and lasers as sort of the future. The first time we were actually able to see laser wire in the form of Fibrance wire, and we got the idea that maybe we can use this to actually create a product with it. And that's where we thought the idea of a headphone, because that's a sort of a natural connection of a glowing wire with a pair of headphones and have the wire glow to the music. With GLOW, we've actually provided 5 buttons to be able to control your music. Prior headphone designs don't give you that flexibility. They're a lot more complicated because they only have a single button. GLOW has a tight integration with the Android platform, so we're able to use and leverage that platform to do very cool things. For example, I could take a picture by hitting the center button, or I could even trigger Google Now and use voice actions to control my phone. It wasn't enough that we built an expressive pair of headphones. We wanted the audio quality to be absolutely amazing. We've come up with a lot of unique designs, such as the negative profile, which allows you to even take a nap with your headphones. We also chose a in-ear design because it minimizes the external interference of the sound, which allows the music to be a lot more crisp and have deeper bass. Over the last few months, we've been building a fully working prototype, and we're there. But now we need your help to take GLOW from a prototype to final manufacturing, to be able to bring this to market. It's not enough that we have a fully working prototype. We need the backing of the community. We need the Kickstarter community. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. We're super excited about this technology, these headphones, and we hope you're as excited as we are.
Lock technology hasn't improved in almost 100 years. Who doesn't have a lock that's completely useless because of a forgotten combination or lost key? At best, we waste time searching for the right key or fumbling through the combination. At Fuse Designs, we thought it was time for the padlock to enter the 21st century. So, we created the noke. By using your smartphone and the noke, you can effortlessly protect your belongings and go. Whether you're protecting your bike, your locker, or anything else, all you need is your smartphone and your noke, and you're good to go. The noke uses wireless Bluetooth technology. When clicked, it automatically looks for a phone with a compatible key and unlocks. You don't even need to remove your phone from your pocket or purse. The noke allows you to easily share your belongings safely and securely while maintaining total control. With the Noke, sharing keys has never been easier or safer. With the Noke app, you can quickly give access without the hassle or risk of giving up your key. Our iOS and Android apps allow sharing to be done on a one-time basis, multi-use basis, or any other customized schedule you need. Giving access to your pool is just a click away. Giving access to your storage unit is just a click away. At Fuse, product design is our passion. Form and function complement each other in an attractive and simple design. We made the Noke with a water-resistant shell, devoid of any external buttons and built with a user-replaceable battery that lasts over a year. When it's time to replace the battery, simply unlock the Noke and replace it. No tools required. What if your phone dies or is not with you? We thought of that too. By incorporating our quick click technology, you can create your own access code to use when your smartphone is unavailable.